Well, hello everybody. This is just over a 5-year update on this jumbo wagon I picked up from Northern Tool. This thing has paid for itself many times over. It's lived its entire life outside. I think last summer I had to patch a couple of tubes, and then as of today I replaced the tubes and the tires on all the wheels. I ended up buying some tires and wheels from Harbor Freight for $12 each. Here's the hub. They were too wide for it, so I used my original hubs and transplanted them. Here is a shot of one of the tires. You can see they're very well worse for wear, cracked over time. No big deal. A little bit of rust here and there. I'm really surprised that the foam on the handle is still pretty much intact. I expected that to go out years ago. So I believe now that this particular model that I'd done the review on initially has been discontinued, but they have one similar to it. I can't speak for its quality, but just an FYI, these things do hold up. It's done a lot of work. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck.